Tap goes here.
So basically, this is where I'm going to tap the supply from to the outside tap.
Oh, from
So
there, okay.
yeah, when I was doing it, I hit one pipe here.
You hit one pipe?
Yeah, and then I have to quickly repair it. It's repaired, but
is that
pipe's gonna
repaired?
come.
It'll last for some time.
So this is how it's going to go from outside. It will come in from here. Here. No, I'm just doing a film. And then going through, you know, the chase.
So people, water is flowing. You see? I've installed the outside tap. Flowing right now. Give it more pressure. Outside tap. Check if there's any leaks.
Yeah, so people, if you see, I've started patching the wall. Yeah, I'm patching the wall. The pipe is inside the wall, and then I've chased it all the way out there. Like I said, I'm patching the wall now. After that, I'll just do the finishing touches. Then it's done. It's taking longer than I assumed. I'm patching the wall. You can see. Yeah. If we see the wall, I patched it, I painted it. I'm going to give it a second coat. Looking nice and crisp. You won't even know this one's been cut.